We got none other than motherfucking
Demon Dame. Dreadhead. That makes Demon Dreads. You know the vibes. Calm down.
Oh, we got in the background.
There's haters over there.
Don't talk next month.
There's haters over there.
Talk next month.
I mean, that's the only way. That's the only way.
Save it for next month. Save it for next month.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't get hate, you know what I'm saying? What are you doing?
Exactly.
What are you doing? You know what I mean? Oh shit, we saw him right now. What's up?
You see the battle booth where get your battle booth.
We got Chongi.
know what it is?
None other
It's
than.
called the Jedi Mind Trick. He's wearing a battle booth. I'm wearing a battle booth.
Let's
Jedi
go.
Mind Trick. Let's see who loses in the shirt. Yeah. Whoever loses can't wear the shirt no more.
Chongi, you ready to catch a body, bro?
I'm gonna die. Watch what I do.
You know what's talking spicy at the battle booth.
Listen, I don't care what he was talking about. Matter of fact, I have to pull up because I got some shit to talk about battle booth. I got some shit to talk about.
About it or
About battle rap.
Oh, okay. I was hoping I wasn't doing anything wrong.
No,
you know what I mean?
never.
Trying to give you guys a platform.
No.
Yo, so what's up? What we got next? Demon Dame, you battling at the next event?
A-Rod.
I'm at that one. A-Rod
August
at
29th.
K205.
Like I said, it's God Talk versus DWI.
And then
That's a whole.
Oh, my nigga. Get in the camera then. He's dead. That's a talk for next month, bro.
You don't turn
He's
your crap.
sick. He's sick when I see him. That's
to the
it.
graveyard when
Oh
sick.
shit.
You can't do that.
So
yeah.
it's a DWI 29th. It's a DWI night.
Yeah, and then I got Theory in September.
Okay, all right. Word up. Who you got taking that Chongi versus Nino?
Come on, man. You don't gotta ask me.
DWI movement,
You
man.
gotta ask me that.
Who you got taking the GK versus Keith?
Come on, you gotta go home team.
Home team.
No wave shit.
Alright.
GK got that, man.
Yeah, we got the team. We go with the whole team. All day.
Well, it's a pleasure to get you guys on camera right now. The event's about to start pretty soon, so about to go set up. Battle booth.